Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss about classification of elements or periodic table. Now we discuss about some important definitions and some important relations in classification of elements. And first of all, what are classification of elements? The systematic grouping of elements based on their similarities and their properties are called classification of elements. Classification of elements or periodic table. So first of all, what are classification of elements? The systematic grouping of elements based on similarities and their properties are called classification of elements. All the earlier classification are known earlier, today are 118 elements. That means 118 elements are known earlier, today. All the earlier classification are made by Daubernier law of triads, Lothar Meyer, and other one Mendeleev's periodic law. These three laws are made by the classification of elements are based on atomic weight. Total number of elements are known earlier, today are 118 elements. All the earlier classifications are made by Daubernier law of triads, Lothar Meyer and Mendeleev are based on atomic weight. Here first one, Daubernier law of triads. In Daubernier law of triads, here triads means involved in three elements. Triads means involved in three elements. When a group of three elements having similar properties are arranged with increasing order of their atomic weight, the atomic weight of the middle element is equal to the arithmetical mean of the other two elements. That means, suppose for example, three atomic weights are X, Y, Z, then atomic weight of the middle element Y is equal to arithmetical mean of the other two elements like X and Z. These are Daubernier law of triads. For example, in three elements, same group of three elements, lithium, sodium, potassium. Here atomic weight of lithium 7 and sodium 23 and potassium 39. Then sodium atomic weight 23 is equal to middle element. Atomic weight of the middle element is equal to the arithmetical mean of the other two elements. That means 7 plus 39 by 2. That means 46 by 2. Therefore, this is Daubernier law of triads. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium. And another example, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Atomic weight of these three elements are 35.5 for chlorine, 80 for bromine, iodine for 127. Then middle element, bromine atomic weight equal to arithmetical mean of the other two elements 35.5 and 127 by 2. Then 180. then 81.5. That means it is nearly equal to atomic weight of the middle element. And another example, calcium, strontium, barium. Atomic weights of the three elements are 40, 188.5 and 137. 88.5 and 137. Then 88.5 equal to 40 plus 137 by 2. Then 88.5 equal to, it is equal to 88.5. These three examples for Doberne's law of triodes. Triodes means it involved in three elements. Atomic weight of the middle element is equal to arithmetical mean of the other two elements. And another one, anomalous phase. Here is anomalous phase. At some places it violates the increasing order of their atomic weight. Generally, as the atomic number increases with increase in atomic weight. In some cases, atomic number increases but atomic weight is decreases, then these pairs act as anomalous pairs. At some places, it violates the increasing order of their atomic weights, gives anomalous pairs. For example, argon potassium. Here argon atomic number 18 and potassium 19. Here atomic weight of argon is 40 and atomic weight of potassium is 39. Here atomic number increases but atomic weight is decreases. It violates the increasing order. As the atomic number, generally atomic number increases with increase in atomic weight. Here some cases atomic number increases with decrease in atomic weight. For example, argon potassium and another one cobalt nickel. Atomic number 27 and 28, atomic weight 59 and 58. And another example, tellurium and iodine. This is 127 and 128. These three pairs are anomalous pairs. Atomic number increases with the increase in atomic weight, then act as anomalous pairs. Periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of periodic functions of their atomic weights gives Mendeleev's periodic law. In Mendeleev's periodic law, horizontal rows gives periods. In total, 7 periods are present in long form of the periodic table. And vertical columns gives groups. Total 18 groups are present in long form of the periodic table. 7 periods and 18 groups. In 7 periods first periods are shortest periods. Second and third periods are short periods, and fourth and fifth periods are long periods. Sixth period are longest period, and seventh period is incomplete period. Total 7 periods are present in the long form of the periodic table. Here first period or short period, here present in 2 elements. These periods are present in 2 elements. Second and third periods are short periods. Each period having 8 elements. Each period contains 8 elements. And fourth and fifth periods are long periods. Each period contains 18 elements. And sixth period present in 32 elements. And seventh period is incomplete period, present in 24 elements. These are the periods. For a given atomic number, how to identify the group number and period number? First of all, for example, the atomic number of an element is 55, belongs to dash group, dash period, and black and category. First, given atomic number of an element 55, atomic number 55 belongs to group, period, black and category. First of all, Z is equal to 5. Very important. For a given atomic number, how to calculate the group number, period number, category and black. Z is equal to 55. First of all, based on 0 group elements, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. This is 2 and 2 plus 8, 10 electrons, and 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 8, 36, and 36 plus 18, 54, and 54 plus 32, and 86. This is first period. 2 electrons present in 2 elements and adding with 8 elements. That means second period, third period, and fourth, fifth and sixth period. First of all, given atomic number 55, that means identify the group number, first one. In 55, 54 is a 0 group element. These all are 0 group elements or 18 group of elements. First of all, 54 is 0 group element, and next to 55, that means 1A group element. And similarly, suppose for example 56 means 2A group elements. That means now 55 is a 1A group element. That means first A group element. And how to identify the period number? Then atomic number 55. Here 54 belongs to which period? In 54 belongs to 5th period. Then after 54 belongs to 5th period. Then 55 belongs to 6th period. Therefore, period number is 6th period. And black. Here 1A group. 1A and 2A groups are present in S block elements. Therefore, these are S block elements. And category in S block elements means representative elements. Given atomic number 55, then atomic number 55 belongs to first A group, 6th period, S block elements and representation element. Any atomic number based on noble gas atomic number of elements. First of all, group number means 0 group elements. Here 55, it is related to 0 group elements. So 54 belongs to 0 group. And 55 means starting group, first group. And period number means 54 is a 5th period, then 55 belongs to 6th period. Another example, Z is equal to 83, atomic number 83 belongs to dash group dash period and black and category. And similar 83. Here, first of all, identify the period group number. Here 86 belongs to 0 group. 86 belongs to 0 group. That means 85 belongs to 7th A group. 84 belongs to 6th A group. Then 83 belongs to 5th A group element. Therefore, group number is 50A. Here group number 50A group element. First of all, based on noble gas atomic number, 86 belongs to 0 group. Then decreasing group number, 85 7th A group, 84 6th A group, and 83 5th A group element. And another one, period number. First of all, 86 is a 6th period. Then 86 6th period, 85, 84, 83, all are same period numbers. Therefore, 6th period. Then period number is 6th period. Then black. In 5th A group means P block elements. That means NH2, NP3. Differentiating electron enter into the P sublevel gives P block elements and category representative. Ionic radius. Nucleus. The distance between the center of the nucleus and electron cloud of the outermost energy level. Here, nucleus and outermost energy level. This distance gives ionic radius. Or similarly, another one. And similarly, another type. The distance between the center of the nucleus and electron cloud of the outermost energy levels gives ionic radius. These are two types, cationic radius and anionic radius. Here first one, cationic radius. First of all, cation means lose of electron or gain of electron. In lose of electrons gives cations. When a neutral atom lose one or more electron, a positive ion called cation. So for example, neutral atom lose one electron. That means Na gives Na++ one electron. One or more electrons give positive charged ion, then it acts as cation. Another property, ionic radius of cation is less than neutral atom. And neutral atom. And for example, Na and Na+. Increasing order of ionic radius is neutral atom is more ionic radius than cation because cation has a high effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge increases with decrease in ionic radius of cation. As the positive charge increases with decrease in ionic radius. In positive charge increases, then decrease in ionic radius. That means Na+, Mg+2 and An+3. Positive charge increases with a decrease in ionic radius. Therefore, Na+ greater than, Mg+2 greater than, An+3. Here cation. And similarly, anion. Here gain of electron. When a neutral atom gain one or more electron gives a negative ion gives anion. In for example, neutral atom chlorine adding with one electron, one or more electron gives negative ion, act as anion. Ionic radius of anion is greater than neutral atom. Ionic radius of anion is greater than neutral atom because effective nuclear charge is decreases with increase in ionic radius. And for example, and Cl minus and Cl. And another one, as the negative charge increases with increase in ionic radius, negative charge increases with increase in ionic radius. Suppose for example two anions O minus 2 and O minus 2, O minus 1, O minus 2, then which of the following ion is more ionic radius? As the negative charge increases with increase in ionic radius, therefore O minus less than O minus 2. And relation between anion, cation and neutral atom. Anion is more ionic radius than neutral atom, and neutral atom is more ionic radius than cation. And then final relation, next one. Anion greater than neutral atom greater than cation. For example, 3 ions, I minus 2. Decreasing order of ionic radius are these 3 species. First of all, anion greater than I minus, neutral atom, that means I, and cation I plus. Another example, H minus, H plus and H. In same relation, anion greater than, neutral atom greater than cation. There, ionic radius. And next one, ionization potential. Ionization potential. The minimum energy is required to remove an electron from neutral isolated gaseous atom. In neutral isolated gaseous atom, to remove an electron from neutral isolated gaseous atom, it gives, then it is called ionization potential or first ionization potential. The minimum energy is required to remove an electron from neutral isolated gaseous atom gives first ionization potential. And similarly, this one is unipositive ion. And another one, the amount of energy required to remove another electron from unipositive ion and remove another electron, then it gives X plus 2, and this is called IP2. And similarly, and so on, IPN. Here, as the positive charge increases, here nuclear charge increases with increase in IP value. That means IP1 is always less than IP2, IP2 is always less than IP3, and so on, IPN, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. That means effective nuclear charge increases with increase in ionization potential. Its units are electron volts per atom, kilojoules per mole, kilocalories per mole, and joules per atom. These are units of ionization potential: electron volt per atom, kilojoules per mole, kilocalories, joules per atom. Here 1 electron volts per atom is equal 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules per atom, or 96.45 kilojoules per mole, or 23.06 kilocalories per mole. This is the conversion of units. And in a group, in down the group, ionization potential is decreases. From top to bottom, ionization potential decreases due to increase in atomic size. That means ionization potential or ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic size. And period. In a period from left to right, ionization potential is gradually increases due to decrease in atomic size. That means same relation. Here periods ionization potential is increases. At some places, ionization potential is decreases from period because due to presence of half filled or completely filled orbitals. Generally, in 1 to 8 group of elements, IP1, first ionization potential value from left to right, 1, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, and 7A. From left to right increases. Here, second A group more ionization potential than third A, and third A less than fourth A, fourth A less than fifth A, and fifth A greater than sixth A, sixth A and seventh A, and eighth A. Here, from left to right, generally ionization potential increases, but some cases ionization potential is decreases. Here, second A group is more ionization potential than third A group, and similarly, fourth A group is more ionization potential than sixth A group because due to presence of half filled or completely filled orbitals. Half filled or completely filled orbitals are more stable than more ionization potential. Suppose, for example, ionization potential of magnesium and aluminum. Here, magnesium atomic number 12 and aluminum 13. Then outermost configuration neon core 3s2. Here neon core 3s2 3p1. Then orbital configuration, in s orbital 2 electrons are present. Here outermost configuration p orbital in 1 electron present. In 2 electrons means this orbital is completely filled orbital. Here 3p1, that means this is incompletely filled orbital. Then completely filled orbitals are more stable, therefore ionization potential of magnesium is greater than IP of aluminum. Half filled, completely filled and incompletely filled. And similarly another one, 5th A group and 6th A group elements. 5th A and 6th A group elements, ionization potential of 5th A is more than 6th A because if for example IP of nitrogen is greater than IP of oxygen. In nitrogen atomic number 7 and 8, then outermost configuration is helium 2s2 2p3, helium 2s2 2p4. In outermost configuration 2p3. Here valency configuration 2p4. This is half filled orbital, and this one is incompletely filled orbital. Therefore, half filled orbitals are more stable than more IP, more stable and more ionization potential. Therefore, ionization potential of nitrogen is greater than ionization potential of oxygen. Highest ionization potential element in periodic table is helium. In total long form of the periodic table, highest ionization potential element is helium and least ionization potential element is cesium. These are 8A group 0 group elements. This is present in 1A group element. This is highest IP. And lowest IP. And another one, electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy, or it is also called electron affinity.